want a ganja square for bun. So a little bit for this. Here.
But wait. When man in the decent answer there, where they bought them belly full of it and gone. If I drink to me. Rough. But they should do like food. What? Rice there. I said, meat can there too. Boy. Share one more, go share one more again. No more. I come back and quarrel. Totally food.